It's benefiting the younger generation very well because it's giving younger people a chance to express themselves, and they're being given a chance to voice their opinions and their voice to be heard that many people don't actually get.
So we have to write a bunch of words down, just anything in your mind, just write on the paper. It doesn't matter about spelling or anything else, just write the words, and then no one else sees it. You just rip it up, crunch it up, and throw it out, and you're done with it. Just to clear up your mind, get stuff out on the paper.
Today we traveled around Inis Oirr. It was very interesting to see how people of the olden times did stuff with very little resources. We talked about how to take inspiration from these old stuff into like local club places. 12 to the 18-year-olds don't have any spaces, and obviously they can't go to the pub, they can't go to the playground, so like they have nowhere to go, and that's what we were talking about.
We are in Áras Éanna today in the Áras Éanna Arts Centre that's based in Inis Oirr, and we are partnering with Creative Communities Engagement Officers locally to develop a day where young people get to explore creative youth voice and what it means to have their voices heard through creative means. So we have some wonderful artists from the island and off the island working with the young people today. We've got a group coming from Foróige and Roscommon, from Youth Work Ireland in Galway City, as well as the Club Óige here. We also have a great group that have come all the way from Tuam as well, working with 2 artists out in Tuam.
We should be empowering the young people in our Creative Youth Advisory Group to experience and take part in creative activities, in artistic processes themselves, to kind of build up their confidence.
There's no sense in us deciding for them what they should have in their creative programming. We want to hear what they have to say.